Okay, so to make Disney's Dole Whip, this is literally all you need. Pineapple juice, some frozen pineapple, some vanilla ice cream, and some sugar. And it is so, so good. Okay, so here are our ingredients all in the blender. There's our pineapple, our ice cream, our sugar, our pineapple juice. So I used 32 ounces of pineapples. I used 4 huge scoops of ice cream, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 16 ounces of pineapple juice. All right, let's get it mixed up. Okay, this is what it looks like all blended up. I already tasted it and it is delicious. Now you have 2 options here. You can put it in a piping bag and freeze it for 2 hours and then pipe it into a cup so that it looks like the one from Disney. Or you can get a container and just scoop it out like ice cream. It's up to you. I normally put it in a piping bag, swirl it in a little dish, all fancy. But this time I'm actually going to try it in the container, see how it works out that way. But either way, delicious. So yep, just freeze it in your choice of container for at least 2 hours before serving. Stay tuned for the taste tests. All right, it's taste test time. So there it is. So normally I pipe it, but this time we tried to do it, you know, like actual ice cream scoops. So here we go.
I'm excited.
That's what it looks like. Okay.
I'm excited. All right.
And you just happen to be wearing your Disney shirt for the Disney Dole Whip.
Rolls for life. All right. Let's see. Oh, gotta be still here. Very, very delicious. Like melts right in your mouth. Look at that. Look at that.
All right, what do you rate it?
For the taste and like taste the pineapples and everything, I give it a 12. This is awesome.
Out of 10?
Oh yeah, I can eat this whole thing. Right now. And I just ate dinner.
All right, so it was a success. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.
Later.